paints the sky with shades of gold. Coffee cup in hand, stories yet untold. The same old streets, but
You're more than your feelings. You're more than your body. Your greatest weapon is your mind. Pick up your crown.
sometimes it's heavy, sometimes it's light, but I keep on moving through the dark and bright. It's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I make. Oh, it's just another day.
Is it good? What you
But
got?
I'm grateful anyway.
Chicken fries. Oh my goodness. What we gonna do, Royal? We're gonna tell your mom? Say no, no chicken fries.
Some bring tears,
Okay.
some bring a smile. So
Got your apple juice.
I hold
Got
my
your water.
heart. I keep it
Got ice
close
in your water
and
today. Good job. And we're gonna work
in
on
this quiet battle of wrong and right. Sometimes the way feels too much to bear.
So, what is up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. I was hoping I could get me a microphone to do this process with, but unfortunately, I haven't found one I really, really like. And when I do, it'll be better off for all of us. Tonight, I'm just going to spend a little time on this face because I have all kinds of creatures trying to take up space on it, child. I'm just saying. What the world? I'm going to do a couple of things tonight on this face, y'all. And in the process, we're going to chit chat just a little bit. Yeah, this is what I'm using right now. This is actually, I don't even know if it's still available, but I've used it so many times. The Andalou Naturals Chia Omega Plus Vitamin C Radiant Skin Polish. And I just have been neglecting my little skin. I'm trying to see if I have any left in here before I pop open the new one. I guess not. Got a little bit. We're going to drain it, honey. But it has been such an adventure these last couple of years of my life. And I tell you what, sometimes your skin tells off on stress and all of that. But I love to say this time and time again. I truly want to thank Mr. Dobbins for being such an amazing husband. He be holding it down for sure. And I love him for that. I really want to get around this mouth area because a lot of times we neglect that little spot. We eat all kind of food, and honey, never pay any attention to that. Sometimes all of that can get in your skin. And the nose. Yeah, this is a little scrub. But I am staying busy, that's for sure. Being that I have had my granddaughter in my full-time care for the last over a year now. It's really made it a little bit harder to create content like I want to and get out like I want to, because I devote so much time to her and, you know, her needs, which is so important. So important. Just trying to hold it together till she gets to her mommy. And I think I've pretty much gotten rid of all of this, but I just want to get in this nose area just a little bit. I think that is the end of it, because my nose seems like it's getting more pores prevalent. And I'm going to go and rinse this off. But anyway, this is that. And we're also going to do a mask as well. This is a vitamin C clay mask. It is, it has turmeric in it as well. It's a deep cleansing, skin brightening, anti-acne mask by Schwag. I think I've shown you that before as well. And this is trash, so I'm going to toss that. But she has been such a joy for sure. But it won't be long. She'll be heading on to her mommy. And we're going to miss her around here. I know y'all going to miss chit-chatting with her. Every now and then we do. And I am definitely going to miss her for sure. But I know I got to get the ball rolling on my end. And I'm excited about that too. Very. It's going to be kind of different. It's going to be almost like a vacation and a come up for sure. If you don't know, y'all know kids can definitely transform your life for good. And they can also be a hindrance for certain things that you want to do. So I pretty much kind of put things on hold because I really wanted her to get, the undivided love and attention that little ones need, in their first few years, just to get them acclimated to what is this world all about. So, girl, let me go wash this stuff off my face. So now we're going to put on the mask. I try to use these little brushes and stuff, but sometimes it's easier using the fingers. So I'm just going to dig in here and put it on, and then I'll put it in the right spot with my fingers because this ain't going to do it. This is not going to do it. Yes. Have rehearsal tomorrow, getting ready for the upcoming events. Excited about that. Indeed I am. And again, this is what this mask is right here, the Schwag vitamin C clay mask with turmeric. So it's going to help brighten up some dark spots. Come in. You know how to knock, don't you? Come on in, little girl. Get in here, and while this mask is drying, I'm actually going to give Royal her bath. See how easy that is? The fingers. God knew what he was doing when he gave us fingers. Girl. Oh my goodness. Yes, indeed. Hey, baby. Grandma look cute. I look pretty. What you eating? Apple slices? You eating apple slices, baby? Yes. It's so funny. When you do just these little things like this, your skin already feels like less congested. It's amazing. Gotta get ready to take your bath, mommy. You ready? So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then once that's ready to come off, which again I'm going to give Royal her bath, and then I'm going to come back in here after I wash my face, and we're going to use the Clear Skin Pore Penetrating Black Mineral Mask. And this one is not even open, but it's about to be open tonight. I'm hoping that it's going to be a peel off to really pull out other old stuff that's been sitting on the skin. Just give my skin a whole new revive. Yes, we hoping for that, because it's going down tonight. This skin is going down. So anywho, this is what she's looking like right now. Nice and yellow. Oompa loompa. But what else is shaking? That's about it. I'm just super excited about a whole transformation in September of life itself, because not being a full-time grandma is really going to do something a whole lot different for life, because it's been a minute, girl. I've been hanging in here for sure. Let me go take care of my
A
grandbaby.
few moments later.
Now let me go wash this off. Royal's in her bed, or she's still up, but she's playing at least. And we just had some baked chicken, which was delicious. Thank you, honey, for cooking. Hubby, that is. And I'm drinking some grape juice, not wine, grape juice. Let us go and wash this mess off. Let's go.
A few minutes later.
Y'all know, this is crazy. Your skin can be so congested and you don't know it. It can look like it's just fabulous, but we have so much from every day that's piling up on our skin every day. And we really need to do more of what I'm doing tonight. At least I do. My skin may end up purging like crazy, but I'm not going to even worry about it at this point, because girl, I needed it. It clearly needed to purge. If it does do that, I'm hanging on to this Fendi lip gloss for dear life. Girl, it's over. It's over. Throw it away. No, I can't. I can't. I should have worn a pick my teeth. So now let's go in with this clear skin. I did get this off Avon some time ago, and girl, I don't even know if this stuff is any good anymore, but we're gonna try it. We are going to try it. It won't even come out of the tube. Come on out, baby, come on out. Come on out. Come hang out with me. Try not to get this on my brows. Okay. And when I think, honestly, this is not a peel-off mask that I can tell. Nope, not a peel-off, but that's all right. We're gonna have to get us one of those, because I think all of mine are dried up. It says put a thin layer, but I am going all in, girl. This chin. All right, we're going to let that dry. We're just gonna watch a little YouTube or something until it does. And then we're gonna rinse that off. And I'm going to tone, and then I'm going to moisturize, and we're gonna be finished. Okay. And tomorrow I gotta make sure I put on plenty of sunscreen, because honey, oh yeah, we're gonna have to do that. So I'll hit you back in a minute. Well, y'all, it's time to wash this off of my face, and I did that, and oh my gosh, my skin feels so, revived. Honestly speaking, I tell you what, it doesn't take a lot, just a little something, and your face will come back to life. You just have to take the time out to do it. Right now I'm toning with this toner from the Face Shop, and after then I'm putting on my Babe Body Collagen Retinol Snell Mucin moisturizer. So love this one so much. You can find most of these products either on my Avon store or Amazon. I will have all of them linked in the description box for you. And beautiful babes, taking time out for me is everything. Even during this process, I was talking about one thing in the video, but as this little process went on, things changed again in my life. So hey, just stay tuned. It's always something. It's always something in life. So we just keep rock and rolling. We're just gonna keep rocking and rolling with it until we can't rock and roll no more. But that is it, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for hanging out with your girl. We are going to stick and stay right here with more videos to come, and I want you to do the same thing. Hang out with your girl each and every time. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you so much for the support. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so now. You're gonna find out. You're gonna love it here, I assure you. So please subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, so the next time I upload, we'll all be in the know. My skin is feeling great, and y'all, I'm gonna jump in the shower and get ready to call it a night. I will see y'all in the next one. Take care. Bye now.
Some bring tears, some bring a smile so wide. I hold my heart, I keep it close and tight in this quiet bed.